Okay, part 5. What am I saying here? I'm saying, red is hurting my eyes. If I have an integral from, oops, can I get my pen on here? If I have an integral, let's say I have an integral from 1 to 3 of, say, x squared dx, and then I add the integral from 3 to 7 x squared dx. You can, if you wish, you can add these. So if you think about it on a number line, you have 1 here, 2, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first integral goes from 1 to 3. Second integral goes from 3 to 7. So you can do this as just one integral from 1 to 7. So you have a lot of flexibility here. Um, if you go from a to c, f of x dx plus integral from c to b, f of x dx. That's going to equal the integral from a to c, f of x dx. Okay, pause and copy that. I want to say a few more things. So in general, pause and copy, pause and copy. So you want to say that C does not have to be, between. Oops, sorry. C does not have to be between A and B. Okay, if you draw pictures like this, I think you'll see why. You'll see why that it doesn't matter where C is. It can be less than A, it can be bigger than B. In fact, you have full flexibility. Even when you write, when I write, let's see, it's a bit weird at first. Like here, you often think about the smaller number on the bottom and the bigger number on top, but that's not, we don't need that, right? Ooh, this thing here looks weird, but we can still calculate it. Okay, there's still a way to calculate it. Okay, so there's no requirement that this number be smaller than this number. Okay, let's have a look at an example. So pause and copy this example. And we jump in, pause and copy, pause and copy. 1. So we're going to use our properties to sort this out. We're given 2 pieces of information about, I guess you'd say it's information about the function f. Let me just say that this 38. So I've done a copy pasta from my notes. So this 38 is the answer. So I'm going to show you how to get this 38. 4 f of x plus 3 dx. So I'll use the properties. Properties say that you can, first of all, do a distribution plus 1 to 3 dx. And then also the 4 can come out of the first integral. Second integral is just 3x from 1 to 3. So I've done, so I did fundamental theorem of calculus here. So now where am I? Well, this guy, I believe I have some information in the question about this. Let's scroll back up. Yeah, it is equal to 8. Okay, so this is given here. This is 4 times 8 plus 9 minus 3. So 32 plus 6 is 38. 2, what is 2 asking for? 1 to 5 f of x. Integral 1 to 5 f of x dx. So here's where I'll break this. Okay, 1 to 5. So I can go 1 to 3, right? And then plus the integral from 3 to 5. Why did I choose the number 3? Okay, as long as I have the same number here and here, then this equal sign is true. Let me just finish writing this out. F of x dx. So as long as I have the same number here and here, then this equal sign is true. But I chose 3 because, well, that's information I'm given in the question tells me that, yeah, because I'm given this piece of information and this piece of information. So these quantities down here are 8 and negative 3. So you get 5 there. 3, what's question 3? 7 to 7, okay, so this is just 0 for 3, right? Just 0, because you're doing the integral from 7 to 7, you get nothing. That was my first property. And then from 3 to 1, you can put a minus in front and make it 1 to 3. F of x dx, and I believe that's negative 8. So negative 8 is my answer.